Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to our channel The Study Hub. Some of you are asking me to make video on 12 bipartite settlement. So in this video I'm going to tell you what is 12 bipartite settlement, what about new salary, and what about women sick leave per month. Okay, so video end tak dekhna, and this video is gonna very short, so please end tak dekhna. Okay. What is 12 bipartite settlement? 12 bipartite settlement first signed in 1966. It is a settlement signed between Indian Banking Association and banks employees. So, and it started in 1966 and it still continues with the signing of 12 bipartite settlement which was signed on 8 March 2024. So 12 bipartite settlement salary is increased to 17% and 8 lakh bank employees will be benefited through 12 bipartite settlement, and 12,500 crore budget will be फॉर बैंक. ओके, बिकॉज सैलरी तो इंक्रीज़ हो गया है तो इसकी वजह से बैंक के लिए जो बजट है वो भी इंक्रीज़ होगा. ऑल इंडिया बैंक ऑफिसर्स कन्फेडरेशन सेड दैट ऑल सैटरडेज विल बी हॉलीडे, बट इट इज़ पेंडिंग बिकॉज ऑफ गवर्नमेंट्स नोटिफिकेशन, बिकॉज हॉलीडे तो गवर्नमेंट के हाथ में है. एंड वीमेन के लिए एक बहुत बढ़िया चीज़ें हैं कि ऑल वीमेन एम्प्लॉयज़ विल बी अलाउड टू टेक 1 day sick leave per month without any medical certificate, without any salary cut, and the arrears will be count from not from March 2024, the arrears will be count from November 2022. Pension is also increased, almost 2000 rupees pension is increased. Some designation name has also changed, such as clerk will be known as customer service associate. Okay, SBI clerk, IBPS clerk, RRB clerk, they will not be known as clerk, they will be known as customer service associate. So like peon will be known as office assistant, head cashier will be known as senior customer service associate, and special associate will be known as special customer service associate. Now coming to salary, सबकी प्यारी salary. Salary. Okay, jokes apart, salary depends on location to location, because some posted in village, some posted in cities, so salary is not same all over India. It is almost same but not exactly same. एंड अगर एस बी आई पी ओ की बात करूँ तो द बेसिक पे वॉज 36K and now the basic pay increased to 48,350 rupees approx, but for only for SBI, this is only for SBI की basic pay 4 increment के साथ आता है. ओके, मतलब अभी 48,350 अगर basic pay हुआ है तो SBI के लिए 56K होगा basic pay approx. ओके, it is only for SBI, not for IBPS. एंड SBI की हाउस रेंट अलाउंस एंड अदर अलाउंसेस ऐड करके 1 लाख प्लस सैलरी होगा, बट इन हैंड सैलरी होगा अप्रॉक्स 65 to 70K. ओके, IBPS PO के लिए भी सेम है, थोड़ा कम है SBI PO के लिए, बिट लेसर देन SBI PO बट ऑलमोस्ट सेम. एंड फॉर RRB PO इट इज़ 60K to 65K. एंड क्लर्क की बात करूँ, फॉर SBI क्लर्क इट इज़ between it is from 40K to 45K. IBPS clerk is 39K to 44K, and IBPS RRB clerk is 35 to 40K. So now you all know about 12 bipartite settlement, and salary is handsome enough, and women के लिए भी एक दिन का एडिशनल छुट्टी भी मिल जाएगा महीने में per month. So that's all about 12 bipartite settlement. Okay, keep working hard. Bye bye, see you.